Hi, in this video we'll look at how to create a reference library or list of references using Microsoft Word. So in your references menu, Microsoft Word, you will find the option for manage sources, and this can be found in your citations and bibliography grouping on the references ribbon. Now, once you click on Manage Sources, you will be presented with this window, and you will notice that you have the option for you can sort in terms of searching as well. You have also the option to delete a reference that you had added here, or edit, or even copy as well. So if I want to add a new reference to the list of references that I have here, I would go to the option for new. So once I click on new, I will be presented with this window for create sources, and you'll notice that I have type of source here as a as an option, and you can always check to see what source you're using before you actually go ahead and enter the author's information. So you want to make sure there's even an option here for miscellaneous. So if you're not sure what category your type of source falls into, you can use the miscellaneous category. For this example, we're just going to work with the book option, and so this is where you would enter your author information for your source. And instead of typing here in this text box for author, I'm just going to click on the edit option to the right. Now once I click on edit, I have another window that pops up here that says edit name. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in an arbitrary name here, and let's call this person John Doe. Alright, so I have John Doe there. And I can go ahead and click on add here, and I'll now notice that I have the name for the author of the book below, where you have the option for names. And if you want to add more names, you can go ahead and add more names accordingly. Just repeat the process that we just did. So if I had another person here, maybe let's say Jones, and let's say Maria as the author of this book, we can go ahead and enter that information and add another author there, and so on. So let's click on OK here. Once we've done that, notice the names of all the authors here, and then we can go ahead and add a title. So this one could be, let's call it Computers Are Fun, or Computers Are Us. Let's do something different there. Computers Are Us, and let's say the year was 2019. The city, let's make it we're gonna call this one Kingston. Okay, and publisher is going to be, let's call this Jones Publishing. Alright, so this will be our publishing information there. So I want you to notice that here you have the option for show all bibliography fields, and once you click on or check this little box, you'll see a number of additional fields that you can enter for this particular type of source. However, we're going to keep it simple for this example, and we're just going to work with what is given here, the required fields. And we can now click on OK, and once we click on OK, we'll now notice that for the current list, in terms of what we have for this document, we now will see John Doe and Maria Jones appearing here as the author of Computers Are Us. And then over in this section here, we'll also see the author's information here in the master list. Alright, right here. So you could also see a preview right below, and we have the APA style because that's the style we've chosen, and you can change this to any style. If you see the previous videos that we had created on that I have created for you on inserting citation, you will notice that you can change your citation, your style, whether from APA to any other style or format you're using. So you can also see here that over on the right, just below current list, you have the little key here that shows you what particular reference is a cited source, and so on. So you can look at that and be informed as well. Alright, so and you can go ahead and repeat the process if you want to add more references. So all you have to do is go back and repeat that process by clicking on new, adding your author's information, etc. Alright, so I hope this video have helped you somewhat to enter and add your sources. Alright, and of course once your sources are added, just like what we have for inserting citation, you can always go to this option here, insert citation, and click on any one of your sources that has been added to your sources list using your manage sources feature. Alright, so I hope that this video has helped you in some way. If it did, leave a comment, and you can share this video with someone, and also subscribe for additional videos. Thanks for watching.